folks, myself included, feel like they're not ready, they're not quite qualified, and it's just about taking the first step.
The biggest lesson that I've learned after 13 years of community organizing is that everything that we love and care about depends on our political system.
I met Chloe in college doing climate organizing work.
I'm here today because the fossil fuel industry is waging a war on truth.
And we became best friends.
I grew up on my family's farm in Nobleboro, and I've always just loved where I'm from so much. It's just something I've always known. And as I got older, I really began to see all of the forces that were threatening the place that I loved so much.
Chloe's a freight train. She has an ability to envision the future and to commit to it. Things that Chloe believes in are worth believing in.
I forget who the quote's from, but something to the effect of, with progressive politics, you fight and you lose, and you fight and you lose, and you fight and you lose, and then you fight and you win.
Sometimes you just gotta overcome what makes you scared to do what's right.
We talked to the people in our community. We drove door to door, went to people's houses, had real conversations, and in the end, we won in the most rural county, in the most rural state in America. There's a real tendency in politics when you win to sit back and feel like you've done your part and it's all taken care of from here, we're gonna be good. That's not the case. You've got to get back on the horse.
100 miles an hour in the
We just filed to run for state senate, and now the whole world knows.
100 miles
The
an
same
hour.
thing is true of trail running. Celebrate the victories or nurse yourself through as hard defeats.
It's just a question of margins right now.
It's 52-48.
But the most important thing is that you get back on your feet and you take that first step after the race is over.
We won! We won! Thank you
100 miles an hour, yeah.
We still need politics, and the way that we reclaim our democracy is by electing different kinds of people to office.
There's definitely a lot of common ground if we can take the time to find it.
You got a really good shot. I think you got a real good shot.